This How to 1 Minute will show you how to fulfill orders on Wix. Log into your Wix site dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu. Click on Settings. Click on Shipping and Fulfillment. And here scroll down and you will get this Fulfillment Services option. So you have to click on Add Fulfillment Service and click on Add Fulfiller. This service will be notified about new orders. Enter here the name, enter your email address. Now select when an email is sent to this service. Select here when an order is paid and click on Save and Continue. And now select products and assign them to a fulfillment service. Click on Done. And that's it. This is how we can fulfill orders on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.